Привіт-привіт! My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In today's video lesson I'm going to explain you the difference between such Ukrainian words as ВДОМА, ДОДОМУ and У ДОМІ. But before we start, I traditionally want to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments below about this lesson. So guys, it is very confusing for you to get the difference between some words. They have a common stem in Ukrainian language, and I want to explain for you this beginner vocabulary and the difference between them. All these three words, they come from the Ukrainian word dim. Let me write it for you here. Dim. Dim. Dim means home. Also it means house, according to the context. Dim. Dim. This is a noun, masculine gender. Also a synonym of this word is the word budinok. Bu-di-nok is the synonym. It means a house or building, budinok. Okay, so let's take a look at the first word, ВДОМА. 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 So what does it mean? ВДОМА is an adverb. It comes from the noun dim, and you can see that we used a preposition в, ВДОМА. Also, you can see another variant of this word like у дома. У дома. And I want to tell you that ВДОМА or у дома is the same word. That means at home. That means at home. So at home means ВДОМА or у дома. We made this adverb in Ukrainian language by using the preposition in Ukrainian language. It means в or у, and we changed here the, just let me highlight it, так, the preposition в or у, and we changed the vowel in the stem. Dim, ВДОМА, у дома is the adverb and means at home. So please take a look at it. The next word is ДОДОМУ. What about this word? ДОДОМУ. 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 Very interesting word. It is an adverb too in Ukrainian language, and it means to the house. Yes, it has a very interesting meaning. Let me explain you. So we formed this adverb with the help of preposition до, and preposition до means to in English. It means to at the preposition of movement. To the house, to the office. I'm going, yes, I'm going to the park. And you can see again we have we formed from this noun, and we did the changing of the vowels in the stem, and this word ДОДОМУ, it means to the house. For example, я їду додому. I'm going to the house. I'm going home. We can say like this. So very interesting word also. Okay, and у домі. What does it mean? У домі. У домі. У домі. So you can see again we write it as to separate words. У is the preposition, домі, and it means in the house. In the house. У домі. So, very interesting. What I want to say that ВДОМА or у дома, this is adverb. ДОДОМУ, this is adverb too. And у домі, this is this word, this noun дім. This is a noun. In the what case, guys? In the locative case, correct. In the locative case, guys. У домі. So we have a rule that in the locative case, sometimes in some words, we do the changing of the vowels in the stem, and actually that we did here. We change E into O, and E, this is the ending for the masculine gender noun дім in the locative case. Okay, guys, so you can see, let me read these words for you one more time. ВДОМА or у дома is the same word, that means at home. ДОДОМУ means to the house direction, and у домі it means in the house. So now you can see the difference between these three basic confusing words in Ukrainian language, and I explained you their origin, and now I hope it is clear for you. If you want to learn more about the locative case, why and when we do the changing of the stems, how we form them, you can learn this topic from scratch with the help of my textbook Master Ukrainian Cases. You can check out more information about it, and you can download the preview of my textbook on my website speaky.com. And also at my school Speak Ukrainian, you can check out more learning materials, textbooks, flashcards, courses, and I want to tell you again that on January 3 I will launch the second edition of my course From Absolute Beginner to Confident Speakers. So please, guys, you're welcome. I will be so happy to help you to learn Ukrainian language. And if you like my YouTube channel, please support it on patreon.com, and also subscribe to my Instagram account Speak Ukrainian Language. Побачимось скоро. See you soon and па-па. Bye-bye.